America and good evening, India. Here is some important news. Really, it is important to take proper post COVID care to avoid risks of reinfection. After recent cases of COVID 19 reinfection being documented across India and the world, it is evident that safeguarding ourselves against COVID 19 might be an ongoing battle, at least until we get a vaccine. Even though COVID recovered patients do gain antibodies post infection, we do not really know how long they last. In fact, failing to take simply preventive steps can further increase your risks. Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has also warned people to be careful and not take the recovery lightly. Even though there exists only little clinical evidence about people catching COVID 19 again, scientists suggest that there can be multiple meanings of what reinfection could mean, making us understand as to why this COVID happen and why this could happen. A probable reason for this could be the fact that once a person recovers from the infection, the viral load in the body depletes. In some cases, a recovered patient could go on to have low levels of virus in the body and hence make them prone to show symptoms and get reinfected. Secondly, even if antibodies do develop, they may not provide lifelong immunity. Studies have emerged which suggest that antibodies can start to wane in a recovered patient anywhere between 3 to 9 weeks post recovery. ICMR takes 100 days as the cutoff time, post which antibody count starts to deplete to the lowest. In fact, it can also happen that not all COVID recovered patients develop the same number of antibodies. Milder the infection, lesser could be the body's antibody response. Hence, it is super important to keep yourself guarded and follow the same number of precautions as you did before. Here are 3 factors which can put you at the risk of catching COVID 19 again. Just because you have had a bruise with COVID 19 does not mean it gives you the right to roam around outside without wearing a mask. Having a wear a mask for longer duration may not be the most comfortable, right? Feeling, but they help protect you against any germs and viruses which might be transmitted through respiratory droplet. Following proper mask hygiene might not just protect you against COVID, but also respiratory infection which are common during the polluting winter month. The same goes for social distancing. Follow protocols, maintain distance and disinfect anything as you did before. Once you have been cleared as COVID negative, create a bubble around you. Do not expose yourself to people outside of the home for at least 10 days. Even after your home isolation period gets over, we suggest waiting for this crucial period to be over before you start to mingle back in the society. While most people develop antibodies after fighting COVID 19, relying on them alone won't protect you against novel coronavirus reinfection. It is crucial that you take steps to build robust immunity and follow necessary dietary precautions, which would improve your health and stamina. If you have been advised medication, make sure you follow them. Not only would they help you deal with some of the lingering post-COVID symptoms, but the multivitamin and supplements also support vital functioning. Treatment can continue for up to 2 months' time, so make sure you do follow it diligently. Here are some other post-COVID care steps patients must take to support their recovery. Lastly, one must remember that COVID 19 is a heart disease and it can take a lot of time before you resume life in a normal manner. While it is presumable that a recovered person may want to get back to normalcy, but the recovery process must not be taken lightly. Even if you do feel relaxed and do not experience post COVID symptoms, processed with caution. Overstraining your body at this stage will also weaken your immunity and make you prone to experience additional problems. Give your body ample time to heal and recover. Otherwise, the risks of reinfection would amplify and expose your frail body to even severe strain. Beyond this report, for